Well, we're all ready, and now we are heading to Icon Park. We were going to check out Madame Tussauds Wax Museum, but I guess they close at 7 o'clock, and it's 8-ish now, so we missed out on that. But I've been to it in Vegas once. I thought it would be super cool to go to today, but maybe we'll try another day, or we'll just skip it this trip and go next time we go to Vegas. But we're going to try the Sugar Factory and see if Ashyia can have one of those birthday fishbowl things and see what else is open there possibly. What was the other thing that I wanted to check out at Icon Park? Oh, it was like a selfie museum that might be open. I don't know. We'll see what's open and explore. And we might end up having to go back another day just to check it out. But so far, we're going to go and see if we can get a table and grab something for a late dinner. Well, we arrived at Icon Park. We just got dropped off and we're at the main entrance, I believe. Yeah, here's the Ferris wheel. I gotta turn it around and show you. Let me turn this. Oops. Woo! Icon Park! We are going to look for the Sugar Factory and then explore the rest of Icon Park. This is so cool. I am so excited to be here. Hopefully everything stays open a little bit later because we kind of came late in the night, but we're going to try and explore as much as we can, but I think we might have to come back someday. Look at a little Ferris wheel, Ashyia! She might end up going on that. I'm already excited. So we came to the Sugar Factory. We were able to get a table, and this place is so cute. We actually love it. It's very expensive though, so make sure you have a lot of cash, a lot of money to spend because you're paying for the experience for sure. But I'm going to walk to the table and show you how cute it is in here. And they sing and do songs for people's birthdays. So adorable. Ooh, look at that! Thank you. Happy birthday! I'm not sure what I'm looking at. Okay, so we just left the sugar factory. We had dinner there. We celebrated Ashia's birthday again. She got a fishbowl drink. It was a little too big, so we didn't end up getting a dessert, but she had a birthday celebration and it was awesome, phenomenal. Now we're just walking around Icon Park and exploring, and we're going to go and see if Ashyia can go on the little Ferris wheel. And there's a cute little train behind us. That's adorable. We're just exploring what else is out here, and we'll see what else there is to do. It's almost 11 o'clock, I think, so I'm not sure what else is open or how long everything stays open, but we're going to check it out. Ow. Orlando Dragon's Breath. Oh, those are like those dry ice things where it gives you dragon breath. That's cool. Oh, the Ferris wheel's closed. Sorry, it's too, or not Ferris wheel, merry-go-round. Everything's closed because it's super late, Ashyia. Sorry. Uncle Julio's. Well, I'm really glad we got to go to the sugar factory, at least. See, it says Icon Park in the back there. You got to go to the sugar factory. I guess we're going to head back to the hotel, and then tomorrow we go to Universal Studios and we'll continue filming there tomorrow. But first, we're going to walk around and just see what else is around here, even though it's closed, and explore. And then we're going to go back and sleep and wake up early. So stay tuned. We will see you tomorrow. Again, if you enjoy watching our videos, like and subscribe and show your support, please. Thank you. Someone called? It is a seat, right? Or are they laying down? Yeah, they're seats. 2 seats. 2 by 2.
That's like because the kiddies want to shade like the little side.
That's massive. Icon Park. Is this a Ferrari? What is that? Yeah, I think so. No, it's a Bugatti? Maserati? I don't know. I'm not a car person. It's a fancy damn car. Bye-bye. No, thank you. Oh yeah, I wonder if that tower thing is open. Not like I'm gonna go on it, but just curious. It's like insane. These people are crazy. I don't know how they do it. I would die. Oh my god, they're going now. Oh. Goodbye, Grandpa. One, two, three. Arrivederci.